Alright, so tonight, I'm going to quit working on electronics and all that shit for a little bit. I've got other stuff I want to get done. Tomorrow I'm going to see if I can go to a junkyard and get another wiring harness that actually goes the whole length of the front underneath the dash. Haven't decided yet if I'm really going to do that, but it's kind of what I'm thinking about doing. You know, I'm having too much fun with this truck, but tonight I'm actually going to work on the seat brackets. I want to get them mocked up in the truck and make sure that the seats actually fit, because I've never put these seats in this truck. They were in the truck when I got them. When I say in it, they were just sitting in there. So these brackets should work. I did get brackets from Junkyard a couple of days ago, but the brackets I have, they look like they're actually going to be much sturdier brackets. I'm going to use these instead. But here's what I'm doing. Now this is strictly rust prevention. You ain't gonna see very much of this except for the corners, but it makes a difference to me. Yeah, I'm going purple. There's purple in the pinstripe on the side, and I figured I'd bring a little bit of purple on the inside of the truck by going purple with the brackets. You're not gonna see much of them because there's underneath the seat, underneath the cushion, but it's gonna look cool in my opinion. All right, so the headliner's in really bad shape. I've got it laid out right now. I'm gonna see if I can fix it. I've already started one little repair on it. I'm gonna see what else I can do. It was kind of butchered the way they kind of did the sunroof inlay, but I'm gonna see if I can fix it. So that's what I'm working on right now. All right, so I've sprayed some adhesive on it, and hopefully it'll stay. I mean, it's a headliner. Once it gets up in the air and you have the seal around the sunroof and then the seal around the side, it'll probably be fine. But I put enough adhesive on there that it should actually seal it back up. Did a couple pieces of tape in a couple of spots that were coming apart. So again, they did kind of a crappy job on the install, but you know, it lasted for however many years it lasted until I took it out. But that's where we're at right now. All right, so I've got it all secured for the night. I'm gonna leave it out. Got some weights on it to try to help compress it to make all that glue adhere and stay together. So that's where I'm at right now. When I'm done tomorrow, when I get back out here tomorrow, I'll go ahead and flip it over and try to do the vinyl and make it stick. Now again, this is me trying to repair, shit, say 92. You know, a 30-year-old headliner that's been butchered, wet from storms and everything else. So that's where we are. We'll see how it works out. Hopefully it works out good. If not, I'll have to order a new one. Finished painting these in the dark yesterday. Flashlight, of course, and guess what? That purple is popping. Man, it looks good. I like that purple. There's purple in that pinstripe. I'm gonna bring a little into the interior. Good evening. So, had some other chores to do around the house tonight, so I really haven't had time to make any more videos on the truck, but I did go ahead and do something that I thought was pretty fucking cool. I just wanted to add pop of color underneath the hood. So the air breather was really crusty and cracked and rusted and everything else, so I fixed it. I went purple, just like the seat brackets I'm going with. Yeah, I know, it's kind of crazy. Gives just a little bit of purple, but when you actually look at the side of the truck with the hood open, you can actually see the colors. It brings down, now that's grape, it's real grape. The actual truck has more grape down the side right there, but just trying to bring some actual color together. Just something, you know, little things. Plus I cleaned the K&N air filter, so I needed to do something. But hey, that's something for tonight.